those recipes that always reminds me of my childhood. It is quick and easy and just hits the spot during a cold winter day. It can easily complement a lot of dishes, and today I will show you how to get a delicious soup. Let's go over the ingredients. For this recipe, I will be using alphabet pasta. You can use fideo, macaroni, or your favorite kind. 3 Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of an onion, and some chicken stock. Don't worry if you don't have chicken stock because you can still get a lot of flavor with these ingredients. To season it, I will be using some chicken bouillon and some salt. Don't worry if you don't like or have chicken bouillon, you can just add salt. To your blender, you will add your tomatoes and your onion. You can also use canned tomatoes if you don't have fresh tomatoes. I just like the flavor of these more. And to help out my blender, a little bit of water. You're not looking for a watery consistency, you're looking for a paste. To my pot, I'm adding a little bit of olive oil, keeping this at a medium heat, and my pasta. Keep stirring until it changes color, and keep an eye on this because this can change quickly and burn. As you can see, this has changed colors. It's a little bit brown now. At this point, lower the heat. That way it can start to cool down before you add your liquids. This is the color that you're looking for. Make sure that it's cooled down a little bit so you can add your tomato paste and it doesn't splash everywhere. At this point, add your seasoning. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon and 1 teaspoon of salt. This is what you're looking for. Most of my liquid has evaporated, and this is a key to making sure that your soup gets a lot of flavor. I am going to add my liquid. I'm using 4 cups of stock. You can use regular water. You are going to decide if you want more liquid in your soup or if you want this to be thicker. If you are adding more liquid, when you blend your tomatoes, you can add an extra tomato and also add some extra salt. I personally like more liquid in my soup, so what I'm doing is adding 1 more cup of water. I added the cup of water into the remaining tomato paste in my blender and adding that into the pot. Let this come to a boil. My soup has started to boil, and at this point you will taste it to see if it needs a little bit more salt. I tasted mine and it's perfect. Once your soup starts to boil, cover it, keeping it at a low medium heat. Check on it once in a while and let this cook for about 11 to 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and our soup is ready to serve.